How to change language on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change language on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you before starting anything is that Messenger doesn't have a direct feature to change language, but you can do it in a workaround ways. So here what you can do is simply change the language of whole device. So here simply open the settings, and now here once you're inside it, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type language. And now here you can just tap on language option, and now from here you can simply tap on language, and from here you can simply select the language which you want to change to. And here once you do that, the whole app will convert its language into the one that you have selected. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.